Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of our lunch today because we've just done the chicken tenders in Doritos. This is quite an easy, really simple thing to make. It's a cheese string in a wrap coated with garlic butter and air fried. I think I'm in love with every single word I've just said. We've already made 3 of them up because they are a little bit awkward to do, so we wanted to practice. So what we're going to do is we're going to whack them together, whack them in the air fryer, and then we can have them with the chicken. So again, it's going to be a really quick, short little video. This is quite a straightforward one, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's probably one of the easiest ones today.
Yeah. So do you want to crack on and...
Yeah.
No pressure.
No pressure at all.
There's a lot of pressure because I'm hungry. Okay, so the air fryer's...
Oh, it would mess up on that bit,
Wow.
wouldn't it?
Wow.
I know.
If you just squeeze it down, I think it'd be alright.
It's the pressure that you put me under. There
Yeah,
you go.
man. Right. There you go.
Thank you.
No worries.
Let's see.
Yeah, I think as long as there's a little gap between them, you magnet into the
I am.
thing. As long as there's a little gap between them, I think it'll be fine. And then we've just got some pre-made garlic butter that we bought from Asda. It's only like the little mini pots that you kind of get on holiday.
It smells so good.
It does smell good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut there for a second and we're going to show you when we put it in the air fryer. Okay, right, so there they're all covered. The video we saw didn't have any times or temperatures, so we're just going to whack it in at 180 and just keep an eye on it for a few minutes. We did preheat the air fryer, but it's probably gone a bit cold now. You have to turn it on. And then 180. Should we do it for 6 minutes and see?
I'd probably want to check it out before 6 minutes.
Okay. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking maybe like 3.
Okay.
Check after 3.
So do you want to put it in for 6 and then we'll check it after 3, because otherwise it will go off and you have to wait forever for it to turn off again.
Okay, ready?
Yep. So we'll see how we look in a minute. Okay, right, so we did our 6 minutes, but then we put it in for another 2 minutes after, just because it didn't look quite done. So let's have a look, Jen, see how we look. Oh yeah, we had to rearrange them in the air fryer a little bit because they kept on blowing open. They smell amazing. Really does smell good. Right.
You know what they remind me of? You know, on the Pizza Hut buffet, you get like the garlic, the garlic breadsticks or whatever they're called.
They look amazing.
Don't have it very often, so I'm not.
No.
Not sure of the actual term.
Garlic breadsticks.
Sounds alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, these smell amazing. So what we're going to do is now, I'm going to let them cool down for a minute because it's melted cheese in there. And then what we'll do is we'll have a bit of a taste test. So guys, yes, the flat smells like
Pizza Hut.
Garlic pizza bread, yeah. It smells lovely. I'm just hoping it's cool enough for me to try.
Oh yeah, because you don't eat temperature hot foods, do you?
No. I think you can tell by our silence how good that is. That is lovely. That is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah. That would be good for like, if you did a barbecue, you could have it as like an extra.
Yeah, and you could have a dipping sauce. Yeah, that is really nice. I was worried about the wrap getting a bit too dry, but only on the outside where the butter's been on it. But the cheese has kind of held that it's kept it moist.
I don't think there's enough garlic butter on these.
There's not.
Because you can't taste it. It looks pretty.
I can taste
it looks pretty with it on, but I can't taste the garlic butter.
See, I can, but I do agree there should be more. I think we should pretty much coat the whole thing, both sides. But no, that's definitely nice. That's lovely. And really, really easy to make as well, guys. It's 3 ingredients: cheese string, a wrap, and some garlic butter. And if you don't like garlic, just use normal butter. They're really good though, aren't they?
Or you
Really
could even
nice.
use maybe like I don't know, like you get like the Philadelphia, don't you, with like chili and stuff like that. Like maybe putting that on top, but maybe monitoring it more because it's cheese. I don't know.
Yeah.
We could adapt it.
Yeah, no, they're really good though, and you could even take the cheese out the middle, put Nutella, and then a little bit of butter or something on the outside to make it go crunchy, to make it in like a pudding kind of way. But yeah, definitely worth a try. I would 100% recommend these. They're really easy, really cheap, really quick and tasty. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Again, thank you very much for everyone that subscribes. It makes a massive difference to us and the enthusiasm we have for this channel. Since the last 4 videos, I think we've gained over 200 subs, and that was only 2 weeks ago. So we're smashing it on the subs, and you're doing really well. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, recommendations, or questions below, please ask us. We don't respond every day because of full-time jobs and a baby and stuff, but we do sit down one evening, hopefully a week, and then just go through all the comments. There are a lot of comments, so there is quite a lot for us to respond to. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.